Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 40. In the diagram above, if the south poles of two magnets stroke a steel bar, the polarities at T and V will respectively be A. North and south, B. South and south, C. North and north, D. South and north. Now this is what is known as magnetization by stroking, and basically this involves making use of a magnet or magnets to stroke a steel bar in order to magnetize it. Okay, so we are asked that if two south poles, or if the south poles of two magnets, this magnet and this magnet, are used to stroke this steel bar, okay, what will be the polarities at T and at V? Now, in magnetization by stroking, the last touched pole has a pole opposite to that of the magnet used. This is the rule for it. So in this case, since south and south is used to touch, both poles, so that is the last touch pole, okay, it will have a pole. The pole of those poles at the ends will have a pole that is opposite to that of the magnet used. Now, the pole of the magnet used was south and south, so the poles of T and V will be opposite, to that used. So therefore, it will be north and north, opposite poles to that of the magnet used. So north and north will be the polarities of T and V. North and north is option C, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.